Alright guys, this is Ray here at Jeeps Unlimited. I am going to do a video of a CJ5 frame from 76 to 83. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we have here. Completely rust free, very solid, beautiful frame. It wasn't an accident, non-wrecked, came out for running and driving. Here's the front half of it, the underside, and that's where the bumper mount and the grill goes, you know, right there, the grill bolts. And here, I'll just show you the side here. Here's the front shackle, no rust there on either side. And that's the first body mount, the underside there. Here's where your cross member will mount. Okay. You can see one of the bolts got stuck there, so that would need to be extracted. And then there's the rear shackle, no rust. Coming up to the rear of the body is where the gas tank will mount in this area here. Here's the rear cross member. Now this guy does need to be a little repaired. You can see that the very end body mounts, that's very typical for those guys because there's nothing there. It's just such a thin metal. They ended up having a hole, oval wing out, and then next thing you know, there's not a hole anymore. The other side is not too bad. It's actually pretty good shape. And we'll keep on going here. And here's the other side for the rear shackle, underside. Here's the cross member. Again, there's another bolt on this side that needs to be extracted out as well. Here's the front shackle. And back to the front half of the frame. And no cracks, no rust, absolutely solid. And here, I'll flip it over so you guys can see the other side. So we'll start off with the front again. There's the top side of the front of the frame. Very good. There's the shock tower there. First body mount, driver's side. Second body mount. Third body mount. There's the rear shackle. There's the fourth body mount on the driver's side. And then there's the fifth one. These are all in really good shape. Here's the passenger rear. That's the one that needs that to be repaired a little bit there. It's such a thin metal on the rear of those. If you have a CJ frame, you probably know that. And there's the other shackle there. Other body mount, middle body mount, front body mount, and then front shackle. All in really good shape. This is for CJ5, 76 to 83. We'll fit all of them. And just give us a call. My name is Ray. I'm most likely going to be the sales guy that you guys will be talking to when you call me on this frame or any other item. And you know, Jeeps Unlimited. Our website's jeepsunlimited.net. 303-666-9020. Thanks.